What's up guys, Kurt here with another 5-minute song tutorial. Today's song is going to be Young, Dumb and Broke by Khalid. Thanks to Siddharth Saw for his suggestion in the comments. Hopefully I pronounced your name right. So we've got 3 sections in this song. We've got the verse, chorus, and the bridge. And the verse and the chorus use the same chord progression, but I've just changed up the strumming pattern a little bit. I'll show you the verse strumming pattern first, and then I'll walk you through it. Okay, so you can see the strumming pattern on the screen there, and you can see where we're playing and what direction you're strumming in. As usual, any up strums are on the ands, and any down strums are on the beats. So what this is going to look like slow is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. From there, all you do is switch your different chords. You start on the F twice, or for 2 run-throughs of 8 beats, and then you switch to the D minor, and then you switch to the C. So once again, slowly the whole chord progression is going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Now that's played for all the verses and all his yatta-datta-dattas, which I'm not even going to try and sing because that'd just be embarrassing. Now moving on to the chorus. I did basically the exact same thing here, just added in a few more strums to make it a little more lively for the chorus. So if you look on the screen here, you can see the difference between the verse chord progression and the chorus chord progression is only a few up strums on the and of the 5 and then the and of the 7 instead of on the down of the 7. Besides that, everything else is the same. So you should be able to get this one pretty quickly if you've been through the verse already. So what this is going to look like is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. That's all there is to it. You can see how it's very similar to the chorus. All I did was add in some extra strums here to make it just more lively and fuller, whereas the verses are often more subtle and minimal. So then the third and final part of the song is just the bridge. And all you're going to do for the bridge, or all I do for the bridge, is just hold a single chord and then switch from the D minor to the A7. So all it's going to be is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that repeats twice. Really easy, but it adds a nice variation from the rest of the song just to give it a bit of a break. If you got those 3 parts, you can play the entire song. If you like this video, the next step is to click on this button right here so I can deliver all the coolest guitar content straight to your YouTube homepage. Got it? Okay, now click on that one or that one and launch your next guitar adventure.